You're now at the lab with Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory. My name is Sam Diamond, and this week at the lab, nature versus nurture. It's one of humanity's oldest arguments. Are we solely the product of our genetics, or is it our upbringing and surroundings that determine who we are? Today, we understand that the answer is a bit of both. What we don't know is precisely how this works. How do nature, in the form of our individual biological makeup, and nurture, in the form of environmental and experiential factors, interact during our brain's development? That question is central to the work of CSHL assistant professor Gabrielle Pouchelon. To answer it, she starts with our earliest neural connections.
In mice, they happen during the first week after birth. So right after birth, they're highly connected to their sensory system. And that is also very important because we're not yet able to create sensory motor action, to integrate the world, but we're definitely receiving all those sensory inputs.
Pouchelon's team identified a specific protein that helps regulate the timing of the mouse brain's early neural connections. Importantly, these connections are temporary and highly dynamic. That's critical because it means the brain can adapt to minor mishaps in development without a significant impact. In fact, that's exactly what Pouchelon's team observed. When the timing of these connections was altered in mice, the resulting changes were so minute they were hardly detectable.
Indeed, there is no huge defect. They run fine. They explore the same way. And it's only when we take all of those little behavior sequences and we look at them together that we see a difference. So what we see is nothing that we can interpret as dysfunctional. We can just say that they use their system differently.
Sound familiar? While Pouchelon's research does not directly connect this atypical behavior with autism, she is willing to speculate that disruptions in the timing of early neural connections could impact how we think and act later in life. And this speaks to an overarching theme of Pouchelon's work. Long before we utter our first words, our genetic programming and environmental cues are in regular conversation. Nature and nurture, talking it out and always listening. Thank you for listening as we talk out our latest science. If you like what you heard, please subscribe to get another fascinating story like this delivered each week. You can also find more at cshl.edu. For Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory, I'm Sam Diamond, and I'll see you next time at the lab.